Empress Lava, let me take this wonderful opportunity and thank you for blessing us with your presence, my sister.
Much love.
Can you speak with on your mic?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you very much, Sisi, for blessing us. We got your contact from Gabriel. Gabriel has been giving us a lot of people. Yeah, so I want you to tell us who is who Empress and what Empress is doing and where is she from, sis?
Okay, so I am Brittany, also known as Sister B or Empress Lava.
Okay.
I'm from Port Elizabeth, Salt Lake Northern area side. Yes, I do poetry and I also sing. Yes.
Wow, you see poetry and sing. So in terms of your music, what type of music would you say you're doing? And what type of flavor?
I'm Afrikaans, yes.
Afrikaans,
Yes.
So you do the Rasta?
It's a dance, yes, it's reggae, but it's in Afrikaans.
Wow, do you know that I'm a Rasta too?
I remember brother, much love.
See the mouth. You know, this one is very going to my heart. So you're gonna give us something for the dance hall.
Yes, I.
Oh, can you put up a freestyle for that? You have your beat.
Can I do a poem instead?
It's fine, my sister. That is article.
Yeah.
So you're gonna give us that?
Can I do it now?
No. I'm just having a Nazik. Okay.
No.
So before we go to that, when my sister, I wanna chat with you and know more about you, sis. So can you tell us about this journey of yours, when I sister, becoming a singer, becoming a poet? When did this journey started?
Okay, so like Tayo said, Tayo is my cousin. We grew up together in the same house. My grandmother, our grandmother, she was the choir conductor in the Old Apostolic Church. So
this thing runs in the blood.
Yes, our family, we sing. We actually had a family group. We were called the Klassen group. So yeah, we basically went to the different communities. We sang in the block parties, what they call. Yeah, so that's where it all started.
Wow. So who inspired you to become this? Who did you see the influence?
Basically, my grandmother. She installed that love for music, Wow.
Yeah,
really.
So in terms of your poet, your music, what do you expect people to get from that, What are you saying with your words? What are you singing, What are you expecting us to feel after
The
that?
main purpose for me is I love spreading the word, of the Most High and like positive messages just to get it out there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So okay, I can see that you are partly Rasta.
Yeah.
So in terms of your message, how do you fuse do you fuse your message with Rasta, or how does it?
It's not just Rasta, it's like life experiences, I always try to make an example of myself or use my own life experiences, yeah.
Wow. So, my sister, I think it's high date now. Give us a taste of Empress Love.
Okay, do you want me to do the freestyle?
Whatever that you're comfortable with.
Okay. Let me do a poem. Okay. Now, easy meditation is but for loving nation that works for elevation in one with the creation. United and active, together irrespective, our color or our gender, thick, short, tall or slender. We are one huisiepunt. Ja, ek en jy is just a kind. So op strijd zit stil en dink. Die youth's futures bright het blink. Step op en fight voor het gaan sing. Wees vir 'n post af en ons verloor als in 'n oorwing. We can make it if we try. If Jah is with us, who can deny? One love, one heart, one destiny. One God, one aim, one humanity. Yes, sir.
Sila, yes, sir. Hey, Mata. Hey, you speak like a lioness. Sigajani. Ow. Hey, I don't know what to say. So Mdasekaya, this is great. This is beautiful. In terms of this work that you're doing, this music, this poetry, what do you hope to achieve with this? What do you see yourself in the future? What is your success looking like?
In the music and poetry, like for an artist, I don't see myself in Port Elizabeth because that's the actual reason why I'm working, why I'm putting in all the work, because I want to go.
Do you see yourself big and
yes,
in Jamaica maybe?
yes.
In the name of
next
the
to align them and shades, yeah.
In the name of the Most High, it's gonna happen in that
Yes, powers.
So in terms of you now, what do you have in terms of your catalog? Do you have mixtapes? Do you have Dondoni? What can we go and listen to from your Dondo?
I have a lot of singles and mixtapes, yeah, features as well. Yeah, and I'm also working on an EP, my first one actually.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's coming,
Yeah, soon.
So please, when you do drop it, pull up your
Yes, definitely.
Your handles in terms of socials, how do people get a hold of you, and how do
everything is
book
Sister
you?
B, Empress Lava, at Sister B, Empress Lava on all my platforms.
Yeah, all your platforms.
Yes.
Yeah. Sister P, do you have a song that we can play right now?
Yes, you can play Dancehall Queen.
Dancehall Queen.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you at least explain about this song?
That one is actually my favorite one. Because it's basically like we have the dancehall that we go to most of the Rastas. So it's actually for the sisters, the queens. That enjoys themselves. They're just there for the music and the love and enjoyment.
Okay. Sister, thank you also for blessing us. I want you to have your last words and say what you want to say to the listeners. Just give them some beautiful words.
I would just say love. Always spread love and positivity. Yeah. God bless.
God bless. My sister, I guess bad down God for you. Thank you. And that was Usiswe to Empress Lava. What about now? Sister Goma, and then move on with Master Sam. Let's go. Also when you drop too, yeah, you drop.